everybody, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Nathalie.
We'd like to thank you for watching our video, and I wanted to inform our Facebook friends out there. Do you guys know that the $100 bill is about 6 inches long?
Oh, really?
Really?
I didn't know that.
Where'd you get that? The paper surgeon?
Oh, I'm sorry, Kevin. Do I make you feel inadequate?
Well, at this moment, maybe just a little bit. Folks, we'd like to thank all our Facebook friends for entering into our June testimonial raffle that we did. And we're going to pull our drawing for the winner for June. And Nathalie, I'm going to let you have the honors.
I wonder what the lucky raffle winner's going to do with their $100. Let's see. Now let me drum roll, please.
The winner is
Kathy Garcia.
Woo, Kathy!
Kathy!
You just won $100. So, for the month of July, our new contest is going to be, tell us about it.
Alright, well, you know that July is Kevin's birthday month and he is a bit of a jokester there. So, all you all have to do is post your best joke on the Facebook fan page. Get as many friends as you possibly can to comment on your joke, and by the end of the month, the person with the most comments on their joke will win.
Win what?
$100.
$100 for the funniest joke posted on the Honk page. So we're looking forward to some funny jokes. Please keep them clean, no dirty words, no dirty pictures. Keep it clean, but keep it funny. Get your friends, forward this to your friends, get them to like your jokes, love your jokes, comment on your jokes. Whoever has the most wins.
Now, Kathy, my question to you is, which bill would you choose?
I guess we'll find out soon enough, huh? Kathy Garcia, congratulations. And to all the new contestants of the July Joke Month, I look forward to seeing them. Have a great week. Thank you.
Woo!